Hello everyone, welcome to my review channel. Today we are reviewing the 4-pack 300K A19 E26 base. If you're interested in these light bulbs, you can find them in my video description from a safe seller. So these are supposed to replace 25 watt light bulb, and it only uses 12 watts. So nice thing about that is you can save money. Now these are estimated to save $1.45 per year versus your standard 75 watt light bulbs. Now that might not be much, but if you have a lot of old-fashioned non-LED 75 watt light bulbs, hey, a couple bucks per light bulb, that does add up. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox and install. So this is how they look. Alright, let's go see how they look installed. Alright, we're going down into the basement. Alright, so this is a 75 watt regular light bulb. So let's go ahead and install the other one. Alright, so the other one is installed. Let's turn it on. There we go. So this one actually is brighter than the old 75 watt bulb that we have in here. So we actually can see a whole lot better than this one. So this one, as you guys can see, is 75 watts. And it's an old style one. And this actually produces much more light. Alright, look at this. This is really bright. Super impressed. Check out the link in my video description, guys, if you are interested, and I think you definitely would be.